Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gazmine and today I'm going to be doing a review and demo of the Inferno palette from Bad Habits. But before I get into that, please follow me on all my social medias and also don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. So let's get on to this video. So I got the Inferno palette from Shop Hush. If you guys don't know what Shop Hush is, it's a website where you can buy a whole bunch of makeup, skincare, Korean skincare, makeup accessories like makeup brushes, eye curlers and stuff like that. So it's a website where you can buy all of those things and it's at a reasonable price too. Okay, first off, the packaging is super cute. This palette has a lot of warm tones in it, which is the reason why I like it so much, just because I feel like I can wear all the colors rather than pick and choose which colors that I want to like use on my eyes. Alright, let's do some swatches. They're all pretty pigmented except for some of the shimmery eyeshadows. There are 4 in this palette. It is Lit, Blaze, Flames, and Ignite. And Lit and Blaze are kind of a little bit like transparent when swatched on the skin, so you will have to build it up or apply it on top of another eyeshadow for it to show up. But Flames and Ignite, they're pretty pigmented, so you don't really have to worry about that. Other than that, all the other eyeshadows are pretty pigmented, like the mattes. They're good. Okay, so the first eyeshadow I'm going to swatch is White Hot. The second one is Baked. So here is Lit and Blaze. Here is Warm. Here is Smolder, Glow, Flame, Bonfire, Hotspot, and Ignite. So all the colors in here are just absolutely gorgeous. I will say that when I was swatching it with my hands that some of the shades kind of like build up, like not like build up, like what's the word? I don't really know the word, what I'm trying to say, but it kind of like builds up when you swatch it. Kind of like, it's kind of messy. Fallout. It has fallout when you're swatching it. So that's that. Also, my mirror is like right here and my monitor is like also right here too, so I'm mostly going to be looking this way. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a blending brush or a fluffy brush and I'm going to take Warmth and Glow and I'm going to put that in my crease. I can pretty much see both of the colors in my crease, which is really nice because normally like light browns, these type of light browns, don't really show up on my eyelids. Whenever I blend it out, I have to like apply like a ton or mix it with like a little bit of a darker brown, which turns into like a smoky eye. Then I'm going to take Bonfire with a crease brush. Burn, and I'm going to apply it at like the outer part of my eyes just to kind of like darken it a little bit. So now I'm taking Hotspot and I am going to put that at the base or center of my eye. So Hotspot was a little bit not as pigmented on my eyelid, just like alone, because I didn't put like another color under it as my base. I used just that as my base. It was a little bit patchy applying it like alone. Now I'm going to apply the shimmery colors. I think I want to apply Blaze. Okay, so applying Blaze onto my eyelids was kind of a struggle just because it was pretty patchy. Like it will like go on, but once I like try to spread it out, it will kind of like disappear a little bit in some spots, and then other spots it will like show up. So I feel like this is the type of eyeshadow where you do have to like either wet the brush or wet the eyeshadow. And also it left like a lot of like fallout because I had to use so much to make it like look nice. So you will get like some fallout around your eyes. Okay, so I'm going to put on some mascara and also fix my like fallout situation, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I put mascara on. I took off my foundation just because, I mean, after I'm done with this video, I'm basically just gonna watch TV, go to sleep, so I just didn't really feel like reapplying my foundation. But overall, I would say that my eye makeup does look pretty good. So overall, the Inferno palette is a pretty good palette. I've tried eyeshadow palettes that cost way more than this, and they have been a lot more like crappier, like less pigmentation, very chalky. The colors didn't suit each other. Majority of the shades are pretty pigmented except for the shimmery shades. There is fallout, you know, that's just something we just gotta deal with. If you guys are interested in buying this palette, I will leave the link down below. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.